Hey traders, hope you're doing well. A quick update here on nat gas, gold and crude oil. Without wasting any time, I'm going to start with natural gas. So what do we have right here? Price has now broken below the support area. As you can see, we had a break and close below the previous low, and once I see a close of this candle, for bearish confirmation I want to see another close of red candle. As you can see, previously price came to this level and then immediately pushed up. That is why I want to see a break of this current candle and then a possible break of another red candle. Once I see that, then we have a very likely signal that price wants to continue with a trend, did not want to reverse but instead want to retest and then fall to the next level of good support, which is 1.818 goes up to 1.957. This is a zone from where we can expect a very good push up out of, but at this point, if you see on a daily time frame, as you can see, price is now at the similar level from where the price pushed up previously. That is why I want to see a close, which is very important. Once we have a close, then I want to see another red candle for a possible continuation. So keep an eye here. Once closed, then we have a very possible signal that price wants to push down and continue to push down in a trend. Here on currency.com, as you can see, the price is a bit different than Owanda. As you can see, the previous low is quite below this point, and here on Owanda, just in case you are confused, the price has already broken below this low, and I still need to see two red candles again. So that is why I just want to give you a heads up here. If we have a break and close here, I won't be looking at this low. In this case, I'll be looking at this low. If that happens, price can pull back and then fall to the lowest level of this support area, which is 2.317. From here, I will look for another conditions. I will keep you guys updated, so don't get confused here. Let's check gold. But we have another rejection out of this box on 4-hour time frame. So looking at that, ATR of this candle is 13.9, and from here I'm expecting a $13 push down. You can take your profits in two parts. Just go $7, take profit first, move your stop loss to break even, and then you can add another one ATR or $7 to the next take profit. That is what I'm looking at. Price is now pushing down. I'm expecting a good push down. Awesome. What a nice push down out of gold, mentioned in my last video and also in my live session. I've also informed trader we have a nice waterfall out of this double top pattern, a nice formation, and with that, as you can see, the take profit has been hit easily. It's $26 for me. I've managed this trade, and as you can see, the price did pushed down out of this double top pattern and now in the area of trend continuation zone. So at this point, I will wait for a next signal. If I see a close above 50 EMA, then I will see my entries accordingly, another pullback entry, or if you have a break and close below this zone, which is 1946.95, if the price breaks and close below this zone, if it won't hold at this area, then we have a very likely chance of a continuation towards downside. Right, I've just marked the minor zone below. If the price breaks and close below this zone, then this is the zone from where I look to enter my buy trades. I'm going to inform these zones to you in my next video, but for now, just wait for this candle, how it closes. If it closes above 50 EMA and we have another green candle above 50 EMA, in that case, we will still look for buying opportunities. That looks less likely to me. We have a chance that price can break and close below this zone, looking at this nice downtrend, looking at this nice reversal pattern. So keep an eye here. If you have any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. So I won't be entering any trade for gold at this point. I'll just wait for a break below or break above this zone. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is now in the level of resistance, and at this point, if price break and close above this previous high, then we have a possible continuation. But if it pushes down from here, as mentioned in my last video, if we have a red candle here, then we have a very good double top pattern, and in that case price can fall. So what I'll do, I'll look for a signal, my double top signal, which is a bearish engulfer here. If I have a bearish engulfer, I will take my sell trade. If not, break and close above no entry condition, then price will likely to push up from here. The zone is 70.57, goes up to 72.45. This is our zone. I need to see what entry condition I get, buy above this top and sell at this area of value. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, only then we are going to enter our trade. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.